They've lied to you about morning routines. You think waking up at 5 a.m. is the secret to success. Think again. It's actually setting you up to fail. Here's why. Everywhere you look, people are praising their morning routines. Wake up early, meditate, exercise, eat a balanced breakfast. But what if I told you that these cookie-cutter routines might be doing more harm than good for you? Today, we're breaking down why the traditional morning routine may be sabotaging your progress and how you can build one that actually works. We've all been there, trying to copy the morning routines of billionaires, athletes, and influencers, hoping it will give us the edge. But here's the truth. Not every routine fits every person. It's not the routine itself, but how it fits into your life. The problem? People are blindly following routines designed for someone else without understanding their unique needs and energy rhythms. You might be pushing yourself to wake up early, only to feel groggy and unproductive the rest of the day, leading to burnout before lunchtime. Sounds familiar, right? The issue here is that a lot of these routines ignore the fact that people have different sleep cycles, productivity peaks, and daily demands. The one-size-fits-all approach to mornings is flawed. And the real danger? When you force yourself into a routine that doesn't align with your natural rhythm, you're setting yourself up for stress, anxiety, and failure. You start the day feeling like you're already behind, and that feeling lingers. Let's dive deeper into why traditional morning routines aren't working for everyone. One big reason is chronotypes. Not everyone is a morning person. Science actually categorizes people into different chronotypes, which dictate when you're most alert and productive. So if you're naturally a night owl, waking up at 5 a.m. is basically working against your biology. Studies show that forcing yourself to operate outside of your natural sleep rhythm increases cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Imagine waking up early, trying to meditate or exercise, and feeling even more tired and stressed than when you started. That's your body rebelling against the forced structure. It's not laziness, it's biology. Then there's the mental side of things. You start your day checking off a list of productive tasks like journaling, reading, or working out, but by noon, you realize you're mentally drained. Why? Because these tasks, although well-intentioned, can add mental clutter if they don't align with your goals or personality. For some people, journaling is therapeutic. For others, it's just a chore that drains their mental energy for no reason. Let's not forget about the social media effect. You see influencers crushing their 5 a.m. routines and feel like you're falling behind. But what you don't see is their personalized support system. Trainers, coaches, nutritionists, and assistants that make those routines easier. For the average person balancing work, school, and life, these routines are unrealistic. So what happens? You start comparing yourself and feeling inadequate when you can't stick to the same schedule. Here's the key. The best morning routine is the one you create based on your energy levels, goals, and lifestyle. It's time to ditch the idea that a successful morning means following someone else's plan and start building a routine that makes sense for you. Start by asking yourself 3 questions. When do I naturally feel most awake and focused? What tasks actually move the needle for me during the day? How do I want to feel when I start my day? For example, if you're someone who feels most productive in the afternoon or evening, give yourself permission to sleep in. Prioritize tasks that make you feel good and energized, whether that's a light stretch or even a slow breakfast. You don't need to win the morning to win the day. And instead of trying to cram a million things into your routine, pick just 3 key habits that align with your goals. Maybe it's 15 minutes of reading, a short workout, and planning out your day. That's it. The simpler, the better. The traditional morning routine isn't for everyone, and that's okay. So if your current routine is leaving you stressed, unproductive, or exhausted, it's time to rethink it. Create a routine that works with your body and mind, not against it. Subscribe for more tips that will help you live better, not busier.